Hi everyone, I'm Allie,
I'm Nathan.
and we are going to do our 2023 year-end wrap-up. So we've done these every year for the last, I think, 5 years, maybe.
I think we started in 2018.
So five,
Or 20.
yeah, five maybe. Where we like to go back and we like to see what we accomplished this year, what goals we didn't get completed, and kind of give us a mindset to start looking ahead to the new year and all of the things that we want to accomplish. So we've done this a number of times, and what we're going to do for you is go over our 2023 goals, and then Nathan's going to say whether or not we hit them or not. So number one, our goal was to upgrade our ERP system and migrate our site to a new host.
Yeah, this has been a project since 2019 that we've been starting, finishing. It's taken a while.
Restarting.
But this is the most important thing we had to do all year. We got it done. So we have a new website now that gives us a lot of abilities to do fun, exciting new things. Plus, it's super fast, really efficient, has a lot of information.
We're working on more. So lots of new improvements that are coming along with it, I know, and really appreciate you guys staying with us through that quick migration and the upgrade to the ERP system. It was a long kind of 6 months between the two of them. We're there now, and then we're really looking forward to making some changes and working on things like the site search and filtering and giving you the opportunity to basically have a better experience with more information. So number two is to develop a live sale software on PotomacBeads, so you don't have to use a different login and we don't have to have different inventory.
Well, step one had to happen first. We have the new website, so this is now a possibility. We'll have designers working on it all year.
Yeah.
And maybe we'll be able to get it done this year. It's a big project. Unfortunately, Common Soul's really terrible software, and it's kind of what a lot of people are stuck with. So hopefully we'll get
we're hoping to work with it, but we will be continuing with the live sales. We like to do those as a unique opportunity to see the products up close and personal, get ideas for them, and hopefully let us know what you like or give us feedback about the products, and then we know whether or not to add them to our regular site, especially because we have a couple brands updating that were coming. Next was rephotograph every product on PotomacBeads.
This didn't get done, but it was also not a priority compared to all the other things.
Yeah. So this year is the year.
We probably did get 5,000 or 10,000 things we shot.
We did. So. And we just have another 10,000 things to go. Next, we are looking to have an in-stock rate of 90%, meaning everything that is on the website, at least 90% of it, we have in the warehouse ready to ship.
And we've been able to hit or be really close to this number all year. We'd like to get even higher, but it's just honestly a challenge with some things taking 6 to 12 months to produce, sometimes longer.
And waiting on manufacturers for something as well.
Yeah, at any given time, there's 1,000 products, several thousand products that are in packages shipping to us on containers or on the ocean. So it's just always
changing. The other thing that we wanted to do, which is in conjunction with this, was to really get good at lean manufacturing and culture, and especially when it comes to kits, so that way we can always have at least 75 kits available to purchase.
Yeah, and a lot of you, or at least those who got to come to our retreat this year, got to walk through the warehouse, see the changes that we made. Although probably no one saw it to begin with, but we've been able to get really lean and efficient with especially kitting, bead on it board production, the various types of manufacturing that we do in-house. Not to mention packaging, bagging, tens of thousands of things get packaged every single week.
And next is 2 new check beads, because we haven't had any since 2020, and a new brand of products. So we failed on one. We have some things in the works for 2024, but new brand of products. What do we've got, Nathan?
So we didn't do any check beads this year. We may this coming year in 2024. We'll see. The new brand of products that we launched is AthenaCast. That was designed to create an alternative in the market since the TerraCast brand was going away. And then everything's plated in real silver or real 24 karat gold. So really amazing high quality products. And we'll probably have over 1,000 of them
shortly.
by the beginning of January.
Yeah.
So lots of options.
And if you've joined us on some of those live sales, you've gotten to see the quality, and we've had amazing feedback coming back from that. Some of the enameling that's going involved, and just the clarity of the designs as well, through that different method of production, and also through that fine plating. The next thing we have is acquire to gain at least one new business or brand, like we had Bead on It boards.
And we did accomplish this. We purchased Class Garden in the middle of 2023. We haven't been able to put as much work into it as we'd like, but it is on a new website. We're working on lots of new photos, new products, better ability to order, filter. So there's a lot of big improvements we've made to Class Garden. A lot of it's just behind the scenes.
And we have a lot more focus that we need to put into that brand in 2024 now that the website has moved. The next thing we have is to develop 40 plus content pages for new beaders. How to basically pages, how to do everything on everything.
Yeah, this is another thing. We have got a lot of pages built, but with migrating the site, moving over, not all the pages move. So we're still kind of in that process. We maybe have got 20 total pages done.
Yeah, and we have a lot more that are being built, and working on updating and building more blogs and building more content on our category pages as well. So hopefully you should see a lot of fruit of our labor this coming year on that, as those pages get published, to help make you a better beader, because that's really what they are designed to do. Give you more information than just what is this project and product. Here's how to use it. Here's the changes. Here's the difficulty you may find, and here's alternatives too. So the next thing we have is the double the best beadbox subscribers in 2023.
Well, this is another one that didn't get any focus with all the big
There was
tasks.
issues with migrating websites and migrating subscriptions, and having the subscriptions available on our website, because we didn't have them actually even available and up for about 2 months.
But we do have a lot of new customers. A lot of people are excited about it. We've made a lot of changes this year that we think have improved the boxes a lot.
Yeah.
And next year we'll have even more options for everybody.
Yeah, the boxes themselves have changed. If you were a box subscriber and you haven't taken a look at them this year we changed them into 2 different boxes. So we changed from the best bead box and the best bead box XL to the best bead box and the treasure box. And the best bead box kit version has 3 kits in it that kind of go in conjunction with one another. They really help you learn new skills, and you're getting 3 kits in them. The treasure box is really like a smorgasbord of, that was a good Pennsylvania word, of all kinds of different beads and materials that you may see. New first look at new products also are going into some of the treasure boxes. Tools that you may not know how to use or what they are. So still a learning experience in that box, but really more of an introduction to the products more so than actual techniques. And they're both amazing boxes and are really cool in conjunction with one another too. And then the last thing that we wanted to accomplish in 2023, and then we'll go over some of the other things that we did as well in addition to this that weren't even on the list, was designer kitting.
This has been something I've wanted to do for years.
Years.
We finally have the program ready to launch.
Yep.
So we'll be doing the first kit for designers in January. And anyone who's interested in our designer kitting program, it gives designers an opportunity to have us purchase, kit, ship, distribute, package
Your kits.
entire kits, so that it doesn't have to be done by the designer. They can focus on what they do best, and we can really focus on that kitting side.
Yeah.
that we do best.
So one of the things we realized, and I say this all the time, is that I really love to teach, but designing is actually not my thing. I love to teach the designs. I love to make people understand the process and the different stitches and the different ways. But really, there is an amazing, amazing community of designers out there. And this is an opportunity for them to keep designing, keep creating, and have an easy, facilitated way to get their products available into more people and into more hands, and really build up this Potomac Beads community. So we're excited about that for 2020.
If you're a designer and you're interested in that, there will be a link on the site by January 1st.
So stay tuned for that. All right, some other things that we did in 2023 that I think should mention for this is we launched a new brand. So you may have seen a floral art trellis That's called Floratrell. We launched that this year and really are looking forward to putting some focus into that this year. AthenaCast. So we talked about that a little bit, and we're excited about
this
that.
was a brand we weren't planning to launch, but we already had a lot of amazing metal products in the Potomac's brand. So we're turning those into the AthenaCast products and then adding a lot more of those pure 24 karat gold, pure silver plated types of products that are super high quality, but still in that price point that anybody can buy them and use them in their designs.
We had our first ever in-person live retreat, and I must say it was amazing. We're already looking forward to 2024. The first thing that we are going to announce is that we are going to the Czech Republic. So if you'd like to join us for the Czech Republic trips, there will be more details that are on the site. It's in October of 2024. We would love to take some of you behind the scenes to see how the glass is manufactured, really get that Bavarian kind of Czech feel and the bohemian experience of going to the Czech Republic.
Plus professional tour guides.
Yeah.
Being Prague, a couple of the towns.
We're going to go on a
multiple
little
classes.
riverboat tour. So yeah,
a lot
it's
of
gonna
fun
be great.
things. That's on PotomacBeads.com/events.
And we're excited to do that. So 2023 was so much fun. We're taking it international, and we're hopefully going to do more of the events in 2024 as well. And then we published over 50 kits. So more than 50 kits were brought to the PotomacBeads site. Brand new kits. More than 50 this year. We had a goal of 5 a month.
Like 1 week.
We didn't quite hit it. We wanted to do 5 a month, but we came really darn close. And Anna and really Kenzie has stepped up, doing an amazing job of getting those kits together as well. And we also did the ultimate beading kit.
Yeah, this is another one that took a while, but this is for sale on Amazon as well as our site. The idea being that it provides everything someone needs to get started with jewelry making in one box. Not to mention all the stitches, tips, tricks for stringing, bead weaving, quite a variety of skills and stitches. So for, I don't know, it depends, the price can be anywhere from like 80 to 100 some dollars, but it's a great way to get someone started in beading.
So one of the things we've noticed with this and kind of filled the market with that void is when you want to make jewelry, if you're going to a craft store, if you're going to Amazon, they're really focused pretty much on kids and kids doing it as a craft. And there's not the high quality product.
And the reality is
to do it as an adult.
98% of beading is adults, not children. So,
and this kit is great for kids. It really is. But it also takes you to that newer level of not just stringing beads, but also doing some of that bead weaving, doing some wire working. Gives you the opportunity to kind of have that all inclusive. And then the nice thing with it is we hold your hand step by step with those videos. So that was a big, big effort that was put together to get all of those products lined up and ready for that ultimate kit. And we had over, I think it's 100 YouTube videos. So over 100 YouTube videos also published this year as well. Free tutorials to help you guys learn and to help you create as well.
No, I think there were over 250.
Just this year?
Over 200. Yeah.
It's 3 a week. Yeah, you're right. Okay, my number was way off. We'll check on the number and we'll get it back to you for 2024. So as 2023 comes to a wrap, we want to thank you guys for hanging with us through that painful, hard, and still ongoing migration. When you have, how many pages did we have to migrate over?
I think 80,000.
80,000 pages that needed to be migrated over to a new site. A lot of things can break. There's a lot of hiccups in the process, and we did a lot of transition in the meantime during that behind the scenes. So really really thank you guys for helping us out, letting us know when things are issues, giving us time to solve some of those issues, and really working with us to look at 2024 as an opportunity for the first time in like 2 years as a really great potential to grow this community, grow some products. We have some new ones to bring to the market, grow some new brands, and really get excited to enhance the beading community.
And always let us know your ideas, your thoughts, your opinions. That's very valuable to us as we grow and find new paths for products, ideas, brands, whatever it might be.
Yeah, we can't do it without you guys. So From us here at Potomac Beads, thank you so much for an amazing 2023. We look forward to seeing what 2024 will bring us, as well as the Potomac Beads community, as well as all of us traveling to Prague and to the Czech Republic for that retreat. It's going to be a great time. So thanks everyone for an amazing year, and we'll see you next year. Bye.